Hello, beautiful people. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluchi Imo, and on this channel, I talk about cake business. But today, I'm going to be showing you how to color your buttercream or how to tint your buttercream. And the color we're working with is purple. So I have prepared my buttercream, and I have a video on how to get this done with the recipes. If you check my playlist, you're going to see the video or the videos because I have two actually. Now, this is my cookies and cream heart-shaped cake. It is 8 inches, and I'm filling it with Swiss meringue buttercream. So I've already made that, and I'm going to be filling it and using caramel. Now, it is not one that I prepared myself. I don't know if you saw it, but I had it there with me earlier. So that's what I'm doing right now, trying to fill my cake. So this is also going to show you how to fill it if you need to use a filling. I usually would advise to not have too much in the middle, but because this was not going anywhere, it was not traveling far, I used a kind of generous amount, if you would say. So I'm going in with the SMBC, and when I'm done, I would put my filling in the middle. But then towards the end part of the video, you're going to learn how to tint or color your buttercream. And this is good for those who are struggling with getting the shade of purple if you do not have that readily accessible in your location, or you're looking for creative ways to use different shades of purple. So let's go. So even though I failed with SMBC, what I'm going to be using as the main first thing for this cake was the first thing for the cake is AMBC. So I'm working with American buttercream. Initially, I thought to fill with ganache in the middle, but because I had some challenge with getting that done, I resorted to filling with SMBC and then doing the frosting with AMBC. So I'm trying to just cover up the spaces and the gaps I had, which I think I should have done more or better. I should have filled it more. But then I think it's okay. But it's just a tip I want to share. If you know that you are going to be working like this, not trimming your cake, then please make sure that you're filling everywhere and the gaps you have are close and flush. All right. So I decided not to trim. I didn't want to cut off my cookies. I just don't want to train. So this is an in-house cake. So I just wanted to do it my own way, but then there were consequences. But if you know you're doing this professionally or for a customer or a client, then please go ahead and do it the way you would for a customer's cake. If I were doing this for a client or for a customer, I would definitely trim it because I do not want any issues at all. So I'll go ahead to trim it and do all that I need to do. Now I am coloring my buttercream, tinting it purple. And because I did not have purple itself and I like to work with different shades, play around with my colors, I am starting out with pink. So I have put in pink and I'm working with a Nigerian brand, which is called Akabado. So this is Akabado Electric Pink. And I have put different quantities in bowls, in bold plates. Now, what I would advise is to be mindful of your base color. If you look at my buttercream, although it's getting dark, you can see that it's a little bit white. It's not white, but it is not cream either, if you get what I'm saying. So to get the right colors, please, you can start off with a base of white. If you have white color or white, then add it to the base buttercream first before you go in with your pink. In my case, in this case, I did not have to do any of that because my buttercream is, I think, almost white. Now, this is the second one, and I added more pink color to this because I wanted to get different shades. So let's put that aside and let me show you how to tint this. So basically just add it to it. And this particular color is kind of a mix of gel or paste and liquid. So it's liquid part I added, But if you're working with colors, go in a bit at a time. All right, that would help you so that you do not go overboard with your colors, or you do not get into a shade that you do not want. So this is me coloring this, and I'm almost done, and I will show you what the two different shades look like. I think you can see it, although like I said, it's getting dark. The weather is getting darker because it's towards the evening I recorded, but you can see that there are two different shades of pink. Here's a closer look. You can see one is light and the other one is darker. And that's because I want to get two different shades of purple. So what I've done right now is to add a bit of blue. So I added a bit of blue, and you have to be careful with the blue, especially with this brand, and especially with blue as a color generally. Anything like sky blue, royal blue, you have to be careful and use it minimally if you want to add it to your cake. Start with a little bit and then increase as you go along. So this is me trying to mix the two colors to get my purple. And like I said earlier, this works fine if you do not have purple or violet readily available in your location. I know brands like Wilton have violet, and this brand also has violet, I think, or purple. I don't know what it's called now, but I don't think I've ever used it. I just prefer to do it my own way by mixing these two colors to get my purple. So let's see what this gives us. Now, there you go. This is what we have at the end of the day. That's lilac, and I'm going to add some blue to the other batch, which is the darker pink, and let's see what that gives us. So that's it. Now, this is the second batch with more blue color, and I'm going to mix it all together. So this are the two shades I have, and I'm going to be going in with the third. So to this batch I just added pink, and from there I'm taking a bit of the one to my right and adding to this bowl that has pink in it. I already just tinted it pink, so this is it. One, two, the third one. So I'm taking from here and adding to this batch. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and to subscribe to my channel. Until I see you in the next video, stay happy, stay safe, and stay blessed.